Space agencies around the world are busy planning a special space mission that will send astronauts on an incredible journey. They'll travel over 50 million kilometres away from the Earth to a world that has fascinated us for centuries. Their destination? The planet Mars. These astronauts will be the first humans to explore this distant world. So, what will it be like to move to Mars? And what will they need to take with them? Astronauts will have to take everything they'll need with them to Mars because the nearest supermarket will be millions of kilometres away. Material to build a base camp, air supplies, heaters, food, water, spacesuits, medical supplies, communication equipment, solar panels, and rovers to drive around on the surface are just a few of the items they'll need. That's already quite a lot to fit inside a spacecraft.
4, 3, 2, 1.
On their long journey to Mars, the astronauts will have a number of activities to complete every day, including preparing for the work they'll do on Mars and growing plants on their spacecraft. Although the astronauts will have lots of fun flying around like superheroes in the weightless environment, they'll need to do lots of exercise to keep their bones and muscles strong so that they'll be ready to explore Mars. Mars is a rocky planet and about half the size of the Earth. Our home planet has land, oceans, and plant and animal life, but Mars is a dry planet and covered with a rusty dust which gives it its distinctive red colour. Like the Earth, Mars has an atmosphere, but it's very thin and made mostly from carbon dioxide. It's cold on Mars too. The average surface temperature is a chilly -63 degrees Celsius. Living on Mars will take some getting used to. Mars has a lower gravity compared to the Earth, and astronauts will be able to jump 2.5 times higher on Mars than they can on the Earth. The length of a day is only slightly longer than a day here on the Earth, but a year on Mars lasts much longer than an Earth year, 687 days. A longer year means that the seasons on Mars last longer too. They'll need to wrap up warm for the long, cold Martian winters. While on Mars, the astronauts will work alongside rovers and drones to explore many different regions, from ancient riverbeds to the depths of Valles Marineris, the biggest canyon in the entire solar system. Some might even climb all the way to the top of Olympus Mons, the tallest mountain in the solar system. They'll collect rock samples and conduct experiments to help us learn more about the planet. They may even answer one of the biggest questions we have. Is there, or was there, life on Mars?